final assembly, but that is because we have one staff member who's not going to be with us at tomorrow's assembly. Regrettably and inevitably, we say goodbye to some staff, and we will be doing so tomorrow as well. But today, I would like to acknowledge and thank a staff member who has made a significant impact at the school as a member of the English department. And sadly, she is leaving us. And even though we are happy and sad about her doing so, we know that people need to grow. And it's a life lesson for us. We need to remember that people want to spread their wings sometimes. They want to face new challenges. It doesn't mean that they're unhappy where they are. It simply means that they've made a conscious decision to try something new. And that is important, and that is admirable. But it doesn't mean that leaves us happy. So I'm very sad, Miss Damoyi, that you are leaving us. It sounds as though it's come to a shock, it come as a shock to some of you. I do hope, ma'am, that you prepared your classes. Where are you, ma'am? Would you like to come and stand next to me? I know you're very weepy, but I'd love you to be here with me. So, I just want to say that we wish you all the very best. We hope that your move is everything you want it to be. You and I had a personal discussion about this, and I do know that it would be difficult for you to talk, but I'm sure you might want to say one or two things if you're able to. All right. So, I always try to think of words that I think define my understanding and view of people who are going. So there's one word that stands out with Miss Damoyi, and that is dignity. And I've always viewed you as somebody who has immense integrity. And I would have loved to have been in your class. Because I imagine it's fascinating and interesting and exciting. And I'm sure those girls, who was in Miss Damoyi's, who's in Miss Damoyi's class this year? Exactly. So am I right, ladies? Well, there we go. So men, thank you that you take our love with you, and wherever you are, I hope that you keep fond memories of our school. All right, do you want to say a few words?
Okay, good morning everybody. As many of you know, I am of course leaving, and I did prepare my girls for this, so that you know. When I did announce that I was leaving, I didn't really envision that this day would come so quickly. And I just want to say thank you so much to every single person who has made my time at Racing Girls incredible, amazing, staff, the learners especially. And you know, when I joined the school, I was fresh out of my PGCE. I'd never taught at a school before, and this is my first school. And so I walk away today saying that this will always be my first love, always. And I thank you so much for trusting me to be your teacher. And I thank Mr. Antide, Mrs. Rathbone, Ms. Sager, and in their absence, Mrs. Emma Duck and Mrs. Millie Redding, who took a chance on me, not knowing what I was capable of. And I really am so grateful that they trusted me, because this is the best gift that they could have given me. And I'm very sad to leave today. As Mr. Antide said, I'm not leaving
feeling excited that I'm getting out of here. I'm leaving with a very heavy heart because I'm leaving all my children behind. And I'm going to miss you all so much. And I just want to say thank you for all the kindness and the love that you've shown me. It means so much. Thank you.
Miss Damoyi, when I'm retired and living in a caravan, because I won't have a pension, I look forward one day to hearing you being appointed principal at a prestigious school, because that is where you are headed. Am I right, ladies? I hope you have a lovely day further. Thank you very much.